My hair is all fluffed out. It's basically like a sponge, so I need to scrunch it and drench it in water so it's fully soaked through, and then after that I apply the shampoo. So this was the shampoo that I used, a regular Vo5 shampoo, and it's like $200. So I used a regular Vo5 shampoo that's for like $200, and I use this cheap shampoo. Any shampoo I have I basically use, but I use any shampoo because I shampoo my hair like once a month. So I use any shampoo, sulfate or no sulfate shampoo, to get rid of all the buildup in my hair.
The first step is scalp massage and finger detangling. I just let the water run through my hair and massage my scalp while doing that. Now this is my favorite shampoo. I think this is my second bottle. I paid $1,600 for it at Earth Elements. It lasts really long. I think it's worth it, and all the ingredients are natural. It's good. It has in shea butter and apple cider vinegar, so it's good for your scalp. It removes any buildup that's on your hair, and I use it once a week. It's not stripping, but it removes the oils and whatever that's on your hair.
Most of the time I only co-wash my hair, so I use any regular conditioner, usually the Vo5 conditioner. That's $200 also. So I usually use that, and every other week maybe. And when I'm going to deep condition, I usually add oil to that. So otherwise, when I'm just shampooing my hair regularly, I use Curls Unleashed Leavein. Yeah.
This Cream of Nature conditioner is what I use. It doesn't really provide a lot of slip. What I really love is Tresemme conditioner, any one of them. I think it costs about $700 for the bottle, and it's very big. I'm not sure of the size because my camera. I'm not sure of the size because my camera don't go feet now, but this one costs 800 and something, almost 900, and this is smaller than the Tresemme one. But I was just trying something new with this one, but you can try it and see how it works for your hair. It's actually a deep conditioner, so it's supposed to help with strengthening your strands and so forth. I use Cantu Shea Butter, Argan or Leavein. No, Cantu, Argan or Leavein, or the Shea Butter Leavein. It costs like 700, between 700 to 900 depending on where you go. It's really good, it really works. The ingredients aren't, it's not 100% natural, but it is natural for the most part, and it is 16 ounces, so it lasts a good amount of time, and you don't really need to use a lot.
After washing my hair, I don't usually towel dry it. That causes a lot of frizziness. Frizziness? That's a word? Frizzing! It causes a lot of frizzing, so I don't do that. I usually just put it over my shoulder and then scrunch it to get rid of all the excess water. So to seal in the moisture, I use these two, African Shea Butter and this extra virgin olive oil that's mixed with sunflower oil. I bought this for $550 in Glen Gym, and it's the 16-ounce one. And I've had it since December, so, and it just reached off. So the olive oil now, I got this for $510 in Bashko in Spanish Town. And I bought this in January, and this is basically where it reached, so it's worth it, I guess.
Now for sealant, I usually use olive oil. I used to use shea butter, but I stopped because I think it's too thick for my hair and it causes too much build up, and that leaves my hair rough. I ran out of olive oil. Olive oil is really cheap, by the way, as Dana mentioned, so you can get it at any supermarket, or you can use the oil of your choice, but olive oil is the cheapest as far as I know. But because I ran out, I've been using this serum. It really helps. It really helps with slip and moisture, but it contains a lot of silicone, so you don't want to use too much or use it every day. And if you're against silicone, it really not gonna do nothing, you know. Just don't use a lot of it, and ensure to clarify at the end of the week, because it will leave your hair, it will cause build-up based on the amount of silicone that's in it.
The next product that I use is this Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream, and I think this is for 700 and something, and yeah, I really like it, and it smells like coconut, so I really like it. Really like it. I've had this since December as well, and it barely reached anywhere, so it's worth it. I don't know if it's me just stingy with the products or them lasting very long, but yeah.
For my gel, I use Eco-Styler gel. I think this is my 4th jar for the year. I don't know why I use it so much. I don't know. But this jar costs about $550, and yeah, I buy it like every month and a half, every 6 weeks or something. But I don't know. But I feel like that's how often I buy it, because me use it now.
So the last product I use is the olive oil Eco-Styler gel. This is an old container, so there is nothing on it. I have the 5-pound version to it, so I usually just fill this up from that. And the 5-pound one is about 1,000 in Glen Gym, and this one is for probably 500 and something. But how much? Oh, this one is for 300. I really like it because it's gel, and curly hair needs gel to for extra hold. I usually use my fingers to detangle, but I use this comb that I got in Walmart for, I think it's 99 cents. So yeah, any comb is just a regular shower comb. I want to report here that everybody has loose curls like Dana. Thank you guys for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and to comment and let us know what else you'd like to see.
And let us know the products that you use and if you found this video helpful. Thanks. Bye guys. Mwah.